Welcome to JWR Academy. In this video, we are discussing the example based on order of operation. Here you can see the answer is not minus 2. So how we will get the answer minus 2 when we simplify in a wrong method? So we first simplify the wrong method. 3 minus 4 plus 1. So first of all, everyone solve this method according to BODMAS. First addition, A for addition and S for subtraction, then in the last subtraction. So 4 plus 5, 1 is 5. So 3 minus 5 is minus 2. So here not to choose the order of operation. So here when in same question addition and subtraction operation include. So first we simplify the left to right method in BODMAS. Okay, so left to right method we can say first of all we simplify the left. 3 minus 4 is minus 1 and then plus 1 is same. So minus 1 and plus 1 is equal to 0. So now we check according to calculator. So here we will get the answer is 0. So here you check, we get the answer is 0. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for next interesting video.